Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot verify phone number. This phone number cannot be used at this time. So guys, if you are trying to create a new Apple ID and you are giving a phone number and you are getting error that cannot use this phone number at this time. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open the settings, and then you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection, and then go back and then tap on general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update it, and after that go back and then tap on language origin and select your region correctly, and after that go back and then tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there isn't connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN, and after that scroll it below and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings for one time. So guys, after this then you have to just simply scroll it below and then tap on privacy and security and then tap on location services and turn this toggle off for one time, and after that turn it on again, and after that force restart your device for one time, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply contact to the Apple support team and they will fix your problem. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.